Hi, it's Paddy Hirsch at Marketplace. Today I want to talk about exchange-traded funds. And to help me, here's Ethan. Ethan turned 16 recently, and when he did, he got $1,000 from his Aunt Maud. Now initially, Ethan wanted to go out and buy a bunch of gold, but he found that $1,000 doesn't even buy him an ounce. It buys him like this much. Okay, so then he says, maybe I'll invest in some stocks. I'll buy the S&P 500. Unfortunately, $1,000 isn't even going to buy him one or two of those S&P 500 stocks. So he goes to his Auntie Maud. He says, Auntie, I'm really vexed. How am I supposed to invest properly? She says, I've got 3 words for you. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. And ETFs are exactly what they sound like. They are funds that are traded on an exchange. And here's how they work. What happens is an asset manager, let's call her Joan, goes out and buys a bunch of assets. And those assets can be anything. Right? They can be loans, they can be stocks, they can be bonds, they can be commodities like gold or silver or palladium. Anyway, she takes those assets and she puts them into a fund. And she treats this fund just like a company in that she can sell shares of it, issue shares that can be bought by anybody in the public. And that includes 16-year-old Ethan, which makes him very happy. Now what happens is these shares are listed on an exchange, just like a company's shares are listed on the NYSE or the NASDAQ. And if the assets in the fund improve in value, it means that the shares are going to go up. If the assets depreciate in value, then the shares are going to go down. Now, the great thing about ETFs is that they're really, really simple to use. All right, you can buy and sell them at any time. They're also relatively low cost. You don't have to worry about paying huge fees to investment managers. Are they better or worse than index funds? Well, it really depends on what it is that you want to achieve. But before you go rushing out and buying ETFs, make sure you consult an investment manager because he or she can help you make the decision about what kind of investment to buy so it doesn't leave you very badly needing a drink.